Venus, the brightest star in the night sky, has captivated humanity for millennia. In ancient civilizations, from the Mesopotamians to the Maya, it was revered as a symbol of beauty and enigma. The Greeks named it Aphrodite, the goddess of love, while the Romans called it Venus. But Venus is more than a twinkling light in the heavens. It is Earth's closest planetary neighbor, with a size and composition so similar that scientists have dubbed it our sister planet. Yet beneath its thick veil of clouds that shroud the entire surface, Venus conceals a world utterly alien, a harsh, unforgiving realm filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Its average surface temperature soars to 470 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure is 92 times that of Earth, equivalent to the crushing force found 900 meters beneath the ocean. Swirling clouds of sulfuric acid envelop the planet, casting a hazy golden-orange sky that blocks all sunlight from reaching the surface. Venus is not the paradise many once imagined, but a hellish furnace where survival seems impossible. Yet it is precisely this extreme nature that has made Venus a focal point for scientists eager to uncover the secrets hidden beneath its clouds. Today we embark on an unprecedented journey, piercing through the toxic clouds to the fiery surface below, to explore Venus as never seen before. From pioneering missions to profound questions about life, Venus beckons us to decode its enigma. Venus has drawn humanity's gaze since we first dreamed of conquering the stars. In the 1960s, as the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union reached its peak, Venus emerged as an ambitious target. Closer to Earth than Mars, it promised answers about our planetary neighbors. But its harsh conditions posed an immense challenge. The Soviet Union led the charge with the Venera program, a series of spacecraft designed to withstand Venus's infernal environment. In 1970, Venera 7 made history as the first spacecraft to successfully land on another planet, transmitting precious data for 23 minutes before succumbing to the crushing heat and pressure. By 1975, Venera 9 achieved another milestone, sending back the first black and white photographs from Venus's surface, revealing a desolate landscape, jagged basalt rocks, a hazy sky choked with acid clouds, and terrain scarred by volcanic activity. These images shattered dreams of a lush, Earth-like Venus, revealing a world hostile to life as we know it. In the 1990s, NASA's Magellan spacecraft took our understanding to new heights. Using radar to penetrate the thick clouds, Magellan mapped 98% of Venus's surface, uncovering thousands of volcanoes, some taller than Everest, alongside vast plains and immense fractures in the planet's crust. These findings painted Venus as a geologically active world, with volcanic activity potentially shaping its surface even today. More recently, Japan's Akatsuki mission, launched in 2010, has studied Venus's atmosphere, capturing images of superfast winds and colossal cloud swirls. Each mission has been a stepping stone, bringing us closer to understanding this enigmatic planet and its turbulent history. Venus is a planet of extremes, a world that defies conventional notions of habitability. Unlike Earth, where a day lasts 24 hours, Venus rotates so slowly that a single day on Venus outlasts its year, 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Even more peculiar, it spins backward compared to most planets in our solar system, causing the sun to rise in the west and set in the east. Venus's atmosphere is one of its most astonishing features. Composed of 96% carbon dioxide, it fuels a runaway greenhouse effect, driving surface temperatures to 470 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. The atmospheric pressure is 92 times that of Earth, capable of crushing a submarine. Thick clouds of sulfuric acid cloak the planet, reflecting sunlight and making Venus dazzle in Earth's sky, but obscuring the surface below. In the cloud layers, superfast winds reach speeds of 360 kilometers per hour, outpacing any storm ever recorded on Earth. Yet at the surface, the air is nearly still, creating a surreal contrast. Venus's geology is equally remarkable. The planet boasts over 1,600 major volcanoes, more than any other in our solar system. Maxwell Montes, the tallest mountain, towers over 11 kilometers, surpassing Mount Everest. Vast plains, formed by volcanic lava, dominate the surface, while enormous fractures suggest the planet's crust was once stretched and torn apart. Unlike Earth, Venus has no liquid water or protective magnetic field, yet it remains geologically vibrant. Scientists believe its volcanoes may still be active, spewing lava and reshaping the surface over time. Venus serves as a stark reminder that, despite its proximity and similarities to Earth, it has followed an entirely different evolutionary path, shaped by relentless heat, crushing pressure, and a toxic atmosphere. Today, Venus is an inferno, but billions of years ago, it may have been a very different world. Scientific models suggest that, for its first 2 billion years, Venus could have had liquid oceans, a mild climate, and perhaps even conditions suitable for life. Could microorganisms have once thrived on this planet? This question has driven scientists to search for answers. In 2020, a shocking discovery rocked the scientific community. Phosphine, a compound often associated with biological activity on Earth, was detected in Venus's clouds. At an altitude of 50 kilometers, where temperatures and pressures resemble Earth's surface, the sulfuric acid clouds might harbor acid-tolerant microorganisms. While phosphine is not definitive proof of life, it has sparked hope that Venus could be hiding biological secrets. To address this question, new missions are underway. NASA's Veritas, set to launch in the 2030s, will map Venus's surface with unprecedented detail, searching for signs of active volcanoes and geological changes. ESA's Envision will study the atmosphere and surface, seeking to understand why Venus transformed from a potentially habitable world into a harsh wasteland. Private companies are also joining the effort, with bold plans to send robotic airships into the clouds for direct chemical analysis. These airships will float at 50 kilometers, where conditions are temperate, searching for phosphine and organic compounds. These missions aim not only to find life, but also to deepen our understanding of planetary evolution. Venus is a natural laboratory, revealing what happens when a greenhouse effect spirals out of control, a critical lesson for Earth amid climate change. By studying Venus, we gain insights into the delicate balance that sustains life and the forces that can disrupt it. Venus is more than a planet to study. It is a source of inspiration for humanity's boldest dreams. In the future, Venus could become a second home for humankind. At 50 kilometers in the clouds, where temperatures hover around 30 degrees Celsius and pressures match Earth's, scientists have proposed floating cities, massive domed habitats suspended by airships, where humans could live and work. While still a distant vision, these concepts highlight Venus's potential as a cosmic destination. The journey to explore Venus carries profound significance. By studying this planet, we uncover not only its past but also insights into Earth's future. Venus is a warning of the consequences of an unchecked greenhouse effect, yet it also offers opportunities to develop technologies for surviving extreme environments. From the Soviet Union's first spacecraft to the upcoming missions of NASA and ESA, each step brings us closer to unraveling Venus's mysteries. This planet, once a symbol of beauty, now stands as a testament to human persistence and our relentless quest for knowledge. When we gaze at the night sky and see Venus shining, we are reminded that the universe is brimming with secrets, and Venus is but one chapter in that grand story.